back to my channel. Today we're doing slime package. So I got this package when it arrived at 4 p.m. and I opened it and something really upset me. So you just gotta see. So the thing that upset me, it came in one. I asked for 2 slimes and it came in one. This is not good. And it's supposed to be bubble gum slime. They were supposed to be it was supposed to be bubble gum and blueberry. Oh my God. That smells like vomit. Ew. I asked for nice, like fluffy slime. I don't know if she made it with. Okay, I asked for all Thai activator. Let's see what it smells like. This smells like saline solution. Or borax, yeah, borax. I want chips to calm me down. Oh no, and I like the container, but I think she made it really sticky. I said to not make it sticky for some reason. But I'm not upset about it because I asked for it all the way to the top. And it's kind of all the way to the top. Here, look. Can you see? It's sort of to the top. I'm not mad. But ¿qué es esto? Chocolate con leche. I don't know. I need my coffee. It's just chocolate milk. And I'm not upset about it because look at the cap. Who's that? Look at the cap. It's filled with slime. Ew. 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 Today is my uncle's birthday. I just say B-day because I don't know how to spell birth. But I am really mad about it because it gets to in your hands really easy. Comment down below if you like really sticky slime. Okay, I need to go now.